long shadows. It is the end of the afternoon. What is it? Thursday today. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. Yeah, Thursday today. Around 12 kilometers in zone 3. It is a heart rate above 142, but that's difficult. It's difficult. It's hard today. I'm just tired. Overall, I'm in a morning shift. I have to start at 6 o'clock. That sucks. So it's hard today. It's hard today. But nice weather, so I struggle on, and I'll see you all tomorrow on Thursday. Bye. Oh, have a nice evening tonight. Bye bye.